Hi, I'm Terry from Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center in Lake Station, Indiana. Today we've got a 2015 Dodge ProMaster in the shop. The vehicle came in with a loud knocking noise. The client thought that the engine was knocking. We had one of our certified technicians take a look at it, and we found it wasn't the engine. What we found, the flex plate is cracked and causing the knocking noise. This here is the flex plate here. You can see where the piece is broken out there. This piece here, this flex plate, bolts between the engine and the transmission, bolts to the torque converter and the crank of the engine. So when that's rotating, with that piece being broken, that's where you get the knocking noise. So we're going to go ahead and replace this flex plate and get this client back on the road. If you have any questions or comments about our video, you can leave it below. And if you like our video, please subscribe. If you have any questions, also give us a call and let us know how we can help you.